Hi all, today we are going to discuss the problem called remove duplicates from sorted array. In this we are given an integer array nums which are sorted in non-descending order. So we have to remove some duplicates in place such that each unique element appears at most twice. The relative order of the elements should be kept same. So since uh, at most twice, so uh, the elements can appear once or twice, it's acceptable, and we will count the uh, number of elements which are appearing once or twice, including duplicates which appears twice, not more than twice, but mm, and here uh, if if any element appears more than twice, we will count the occurrences based on how many times it appeared twice at max in the powers of 2. Suppose if the elements occurred 4 times, then we will count two two ones in the k value. Suppose if the elements occurred 3 times, we will count the number of elements occurred twice and as well as number of elements occurred once. So in order to achieve this, we need to take a pointer called j. First, we need to check the end cases. If the array length is equals to or less than 2, if it is, then we have to return that array length itself. If it's not, we have to go to else part, where we have to write our actual logic, where we need to find the unique elements that appears at most twice. For that, we need to take a pointer j is equals to 1, as we are considering the frequencies of occurrences of the arrays. Is it to explain, because it's of less length? Why we are taking from the pointer j is equals to 1? Because we are considering all the elements which are from 0, 1, and as well as 2. That is, we are considering 3 elements at the same time, and we are determining the number of elements which occurs at most twice, so that we will get the correct count. So here we are considering j is equals to 1, so that j points to this one, this position, and I we are taking from this to this. So in the if loop, what we are checking is if the j minus 1 here, that is 0, is equals to nums of I, that is 2. If these both are equal, then the if loop fails. If these both are not equal, then only j plus 1 happens. Here it doesn't take place. So the j value remains constant, that is j1 1 itself. And in the next iteration, the I goes to next position, that is 3. And here the comparison happens. Uh, this 2 is not equals to 1, so j is incremented. Now j points to 2. This I in here, j points to 1 and I points to 2, and the comparison happens between this and this. This is not this is equals to this, so no change occurs. And I points to the next element, that is 2. Here the comparison happens between j remains constant, so that j will be here only. Comparison happens between this and this, not equal. So simply this value is being put to here, so that the resultant array will be here. The change occurred here. Now the array j is being pointed here, that is j plus 1. J plus 1 is now this. And I plus 1 is this. It's being compared to this both. It's been compared to this both first. 2 2 equal, so no change. And again j is being moved to here and I is being moved to here. The comparison happens between this j and this j. Yeah, there is a difference, so simply the 2 value will be replaced by 3, so the resultant array will be here. after all the iterations are being done, the actual array will be this one, and the j value will also be incremented. So we will get the number of changes that have been occurred. Thank you.